Hello and welcome to Terraria. Today I'm going to be making myself, and yeah, this might be 8 minutes long. I don't really know. Let's play game. Okay, so first I'm him. I have ruffle hair, so there we go. I have brown hair, brown darkish, like the haircut there. Okay. Hold on. Let me see in the mirror if I have what kind of eyes I have. Oh, black eyes? Nope. Brown eyes. Okay. Which one looks a little brown? Which one is a little browner? I guess it doesn't really matter. I want a black shirt. But oh no. There. Oh no. What shirt should I wear? I know what I'm gonna wear for my pants. My trousers. Somewhere down. Same thing. Trousers. Blah, 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 blah. I have like blonde shoes, so these, I guess. Nah. Try to be okay, so this is going to be the end of this episode. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a good day wherever you are. See you guys later. Bye.